Okay, Nanda. I came here. I had acute problems where I was snoring badly while sleeping. I had extremely disturbed sleep. As a matter of fact, I didn't sleep well during the last 15 years or so. Then last Friday, I was operated in the third by Dr. Vikas Agarwal. Thanks to the doctor, after that surgery, I know first time in many years that one can sleep so well. And he has taken not a slice of flesh from out of here, he has taken a load of my mind also. Because, yeah, he has taken a load of my mind. And I'm sure after the second surgery, I'm going to go get still better.